Good morning, my friends. I've got a connector here that I want to repair because I can't find one in my town. I had to go to a neighboring town to get one of these. So I will repair it in the meantime to test something, and I will show you now what I'm going to test. I just want to glue it quickly together and give it time to dry, and then I will show you what is the plan. Okay, it sits like that. Let me just hold it a bit for the quick glue to set a little bit, and do that other trick that I have with carbonated soda or bicarbonate soda. I'll come back to you now. Okay, here comes the other trick. So I take again my glue, and I put it all around here. Ample lot of glue, and then I take my carbonated soda and throw it on there. And this will keep this thing in touch forever, or until I can get a new one. Okay, now I'm going to let it dry. Okay guys, I am now in a storeroom where I need to connect this connector. So the ground go to the bottom, and the blue go there, and the live go there, and then I'm going to screw it in there. Like that. Okay, last one. This is a treadmill that I want to test because this was broken and we used this machine last in Pretoria, so it never ran here in the Cape. So I'm going to look for its cable, and then we're going to jump on it and see if it will run. It is a storeroom, so you can see there's all kinds of stuff laying around here. I just need to get this away. This is a part of a curtain, but this is how the machine looks. It's a Trojan. And you can connect speakers or music into it. There's the speakers, and there is the speed adjustment. It is speed. Let it just focus. It shines up now. Speed up and down. Okay, Just hang on, and this is your emergency. You put this on your wrist or on your clothes. So if you drop off or fell off, this is the emergency stop. So it will stop. It's magnetic, or you can stop it there. And all the stuff we will see. And it can also run at the angle, and there's the music. So I think it's got a radio in, if I'm not mistaken, but we will see now. Let me look for its power cable. Okay guys, I've got it plugged in, and let's give it power and see if we can see smoke. Okay, it's on. Let's go and jump up. I'll just want to put you somewhere and bring you back. Okay, the screen is on. And let me see what it all tells us. The speed is 0. The clock was set for 8, or it started on 8. It's now 8:01. And here's the incline, the gradient. And this is also incline. Let's see. I just want to see what's going on. Okay, maybe we must press it here. I think you have to hold it and then press. Okay, maybe we must press start. But I just want to step off for the moment. I don't want to fall off here. Okay, there it starts running. Okay, maybe we can. There goes the incline. Okay, what can we do more? Let's look at the speed. Might go faster. This is a run. It's 7.3. I bring it slower. Okay, this is the slowest. Okay guys, I'm going to put you up so we can play a little bit. Okay, I'm walking now. Okay, I guess at this speed, which is the slowest, this is the calories that you will burn. 5.8. Let's put the speed up and see if it goes higher. Okay, it seems if everything works, guys. I haven't got earphones to test the music part. Let's test the emergency stop. Immediately it stopped. Okay, that worked. And it's back on. Okay, so that is all fine. So guys, the plan with this is a white elephant, a total white elephant, and we're going to sell it. Let me just show you the incline. It works actually very nice. I think it must roll. Let's start it. Let it come up. It is slow on the up, but it go down very fast. I'll show it to you. When it is totally up, you can see there maybe. Okay, but in any case, it's moving upwards. You will see now when I drop it. I think this is max. Okay, let it go down. Okay, but in any case, it's not so easy to see. So I think the machine works. And we bought it for 7,000 rand, I think about 7 to 8 years back. And this is a white elephant, guys. We used it a little bit, and it's just sit here forever at our old home and this one. And I just need to give it some lubrication. So this is why I don't want to walk a lot with it now. It needs lubrication under the belt, and it's also pneumatic. It got an air suspension there. Actually a very nice machine. Okay, my friends, and yeah, feedback on the motor, the Suffolk. The plan is end of February, 25, 26 or 27 of January. I will go and fetch the machine. I've make arrangement with my brother. So see you later. Bye bye.